99% of people have heard of the term artificial intelligence, or AI for short. But is our perception of this ubiquitous term actually correct? Artificial intelligence is often depicted as a futuristic, high-tech tool in popular media such as spy films. This depiction of artificial intelligence in media can lead to misunderstandings and misconceptions about what AI really is and what it is capable of. So, what exactly is AI? At its most basic, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would normally require human-like intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. On the other hand, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable computers to perform tasks without explicitly being programmed to do so. In other words, machine learning algorithms can learn and improve over time without the need for human intervention. But where did this originate from? What is the history behind artificial intelligence? AI has been a topic of fascination and study for decades, with roots dating back to the 1950s. In 1956, a group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College to discuss the possibility of creating computers that could think and learn like humans. This meeting is often considered the birthplace of the field of artificial intelligence as we know it today. Since then, AI has come a long way, with tremendous progress being made in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. There are several different types of artificial intelligence which can be broadly grouped into the following categories: reactive machines, limited memory, and theory of mind. Reactive machines are the most basic form of AI, and they are capable of reacting to stimuli in their environment, but are unable to form memories or use past experiences to inform current decisions. Deep Blue, the computer that beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, is an example of a reactive machine. Limited memory AI systems are able to use past experiences to inform current decisions, but they are unable to store a large amount of information or recall past events beyond a certain point. Self-driving cars, which use sensors and cameras to gather information about their surroundings and make decisions based on that information, are an example of limited memory AI. The last type of AI is theory of mind. This type of AI is able to understand and simulate human emotions and behaviors. It is still largely in the realm of science fiction, but some researchers are working on developing AI that can recognize and respond to human emotions. There is actually one far more advanced form of AI, self-awareness AI. This refers to systems that are able to understand their own existence and consciousness. This type of AI is purely theoretical and has not yet been achieved. It's important to note that the boundaries between these categories are not always clear, and many AI systems may exhibit characteristics of multiple types. Additionally, the field of artificial intelligence is constantly and continuously evolving, and new types of AI may be developed in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this introduction to artificial intelligence informative and helpful. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content in the future.